Okay, this time another message will be given to us from the salutatorian of high school, no other than Rezel L. Earl de la Cruz.
Mendoza. Our school directress, Mrs. Yolanda C. Politico. Our Vice President, Mr. Nestor Politico. Our school administrator, Ms. Yolanda Joy Politico. Members of the board, faculty and staff, our dear parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Time flew by so fast that I feel like it's just a year when I enter my high school life. Here at Polylab Academy is where I met most of my friends whom I often spend time with among the others. Here is where I experienced the saying, "We are one." And here is where I've started to aim for something. It's just the 1st of March when I was given the opportunity to talk about our class history. And there I've said the line, "You days are left before we should leave this school." And now, the time is here. Isn't it too fast that we are now finally leaving the high school life? Before, it was just a dream to wear those graduation hats and dresses. But now, after a few years of hardships, we come to the end of this high school journey. Today is no small feat. It is perhaps the most significant and life-altering achievement most of you can claim to this day. Never hesitate to recognize how proud each and every person here today is for you to complete a long and difficult task. Our determination, perseverance, patience, and hard work for over 4 years in high school is hard to ignore. Let's serve this day as an open door that will lead us into the place called the real world. But this moment wouldn't have been possible without the guidance and support, of course, from our parents, teachers, administrators, relatives, and friends. So, thank you for everything. To our class advisor, Miss Sherry Florida, who was there for me, for us whenever we needed her. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo. Sa mga nakakatawa at nakakalungkot yung mga kwento na sinare niyo sa amin. Thank you for giving us the knowledge about almost everything. Thank you for those words of wisdom you've tried to elaborate just for us. Maraming pong salamat kasi pinapagalitan pinagsasabihan niyo kami. Pero it doesn't mean na gusto po namin yun. Pero dahil po kasi doon, nalalaman namin yung pagkakamali namin at natutulungan niyo kami na maitama yun. Thank you po. Salamat kasi yung naging pangalawang nanay po talaga kayo sa amin. Of course, our other teachers who also did their best to teach us and sacrificed their beautiful voices. Thank you po. To my classmates, I realize that after today, we no longer see many of you, and that is a painful fact. Throughout my years in high school with you, not only have I gained knowledge of the subjects I have studied, but also the knowledge of cooperating and interacting with others. You helped me to build priceless social skills as well as instill a value to succeed. You may not know, but natulungan niyo ako na maging independent kahit papaano. Natutuwan ko sa inyo kung paano di mag-rely sa ibang tao sa mga desisyon na gagawin ko. Natulungan niyo ako na mas mag-isip ng kung ano at alin ang tama. At higit sa lahat, natutuwan ko sa inyo yung pagtanggap. Pagtanggap sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa akin o sa paligid ko, and able to be happy. Thank you sa mga kaibigan ko, pati sa hindi ko maanong pa-close. Sa inyo lahat kasi naging part kayo ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa akin. Sa school, kahit saan. Thank you, Clarissa, ate, na naging best friend kita. Naging best friend ko throughout my high school life, throughout my high school years. Miss ko yung mga mukha niyo na palagi kong nakikita tuwing papasok ako. Kahit madalas sa inyo, late na. Iba, hindi kami nangantay, absent na pala. Salamat sa inyo lang. Sa kapatid ko, thank you rin sa pag-cooperate mo kapag humihingi ako ng tulong sa'yo. Si Bale, tumutulungan din naman kita, di ba? Kina Mama at Papa, thank you po for staying late at night with me every time I had my rush work. Thank you for being always at my side sa pagpapasensya, sa pagsuporta, sa pagbigay ng courage. Pagtuloy na sa akin na maabot ko, kung naparating ko to. Sa lahat-lahat po ng bagay na binigay niyo sa akin, mapapadali man o hindi. Salamat po. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Be optimistic. Remaining positive, even in the hardest of circumstances, places individuals in a much better position to reverse their luck. Having the correct mindset makes all of the difference. If you believe you can achieve anything, as long as you know that you are right, and don't allow others to tell you differently, what you are capable of achieving is genuinely amazing. Do what makes you happy, but learn to accept things. Learn to accept things that are not meant to be, but what you wanted it to be. Put your heart into everything you do. You accomplish things only when you really care about what you are doing. Don't be afraid to have mistakes. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new, as Albert Einstein said. So just learn from it. Being successful doesn't mean that you didn't make any errors in your life. Do not repeat those errors, and that's when you'll become successful. And the best way to predict your future is to make it. So for dear Matthew, my co-graduates, as our journey ends here, and a new one begins, let's do our best to reach the success we've always aimed for. God is good all the time, and so I know that He will help and guide all of us on whatever path we will go. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. But working together is success. Thank you to all the families, friends, teachers, and any other I have missed for your contributions. Congratulations, my fellow graduates. We did it.
Six, first honorable mention, Anton Miguel M. Paliagaw, for his message of thanks and gratitude.
Politico, our school directors, Ms. Yunesa Joy Politico, our assistant administrator, Mr. Rogelio Paragas, our principal, Dr. Leilani Mendoza, our guest speaker, the administration, faculty and staff, parents and guests, my fellow graduates, a memorable morning. March 25, 2014, I know we will all agree that this day is definitely ordinary. Today, we show the world that we are ready to take on the next stage of our academic life, high school. First, I would like to thank God for the blessings and success. I can always depend on you. In times of difficulties, you are there to comfort me and give me strength. I would also like to thank my lolas and lolos, titos and titas, cousins. Thank you all for your support and unconditional love. To my siblings, Tony and Mark, thank you for the care and helping me in my household obligations. I promise I will always be a responsible kuya. Now, the greatest thanks of all goes to my parents for bringing me out to this world, especially to my mom, Mama Marie, who always there for me when I felt like I wanted to give up. You'll always have a way to put a smile on my face, and it's your lessons in my head. Thank you for supporting me morally, for all the values that I learned and will continue to learn. Thank you for being my personal reverential leader. You are the best. Thank you for teaching me to be independent. Thank you for letting me go out, socialize, make friends, have fun, and enjoy. But at the same time, you constantly remind me, please rise. And to all my subject teachers, Ma'am Mercy, Ma'am Catherine, Ma'am Rose Ann, Ma'am Ethel, and Sir Jerome. They've taught us how to be self-motivated, active learners, and productive analytical thinkers. In behalf of St. Peter, to our class advisor, Coach, Sir Richard De Prosa, for 4 years, thank you for your patience, for inspiring us to work harder. Thank you for being a teacher, a friend, and a father of 6 Peter. Thank you for bearing with us like we are your own children. Kahit malalaki na po kami, nilalagyan niyo po pa rin kami ng bond paper sa likod kapag pawis. We truly appreciated your kindness. Thank you for allowing us to bother you when we needed advice. Believing that despite of our wrong turns and detours, we can still be an achiever. As the saying goes, a good teacher explains, a superior teacher demonstrates, and a great teacher inspires. You are indeed our inspiration. To my classmates, 6 Peter, thank you that I am part of truly outstanding batch. A batch that has achieved so much, and a batch where everyone is talented in different fields. It is not enough to just be great. We must be more than that. We must be great men and women with hearts of service. And to my friends, Elmira, Jessica, Gail, and Shay, thank you for the loves. You are always stress relievers. Ate Cassandra, for always helping me. Ashraf, I believe in your skills. Gabriel, you're like a brother to me. And for our class valedictorian, Vincent, thank you for the time that you taught me how to understand things. For the moments we shared in our home, it is the most precious moments in elementary days. Our heartfelt thanks to Pauline of Academy, our second home. Thank you for giving us more than what our family were looking for. It afforded us many opportunities for personal growth and advancement. You also taught us the importance for respect for people and property. Respect people's feelings and opinions. Learned how important it is to have tolerance for other cultures and beliefs. You taught us how to be able to relate with different kinds of people. We learned how important it is to have responsibility. We are not great men, not yet, but we know we will be. We will all someday be great men and women. Paul and Avians, Tours Avant.